Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking scale. Choose 1 unit radius for the hexagon so proportions stay consistent. Use a compass or step with your ruler. Place 6 points at roughly 60 degrees apart around the center and quickly connect them to form the regular hexagon. Once done, darken the final outline and keep construction lines light for removal later. Make sure to keep edges straight. Your base accuracy determines the 3D effect, so pause and correct any skew before moving to depth. Now you create depth by picking a vanishing point and drawing light depth lines from every front vertex, ensuring angles remain consistent so the 3D feels correct. Decide a depth, 0. 5 to 1 unit works well, and measure equal offsets along each depth line to mark the back hexagon. Then connect those offsets to form the rear shape, and once connected, carefully erase overlapping construction lines. This preserves the illusion of volume. If depth lines converge unevenly, adjust them to maintain parallel. Finish by deciding on a light source, which lets you shade planes correctly. Darker tones go on faces away from light and midtones on angled surfaces. Use softer gradients for curved shading and harder strokes for edges, then add a cast shadow beneath the shape to ground it. Once done, add small edge highlights where light hits. If something looks off, make sure to realign any mispositioned back hexagon vertices. Shift those edges slightly and reblend shadows. This single tweak often fixes the whole 3D illusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.